Hello, welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird of the day is the northern mockingbird, a type of mimic bird. They can accurately mimic and recreate tons of other bird songs. They're commonly found backyard birds, which is good because I don't have a car today. I've got to find this bird on foot. A small patch of trees behind a sports complex. The last holdouts of woodland deep within urban sprawl. I started my walk with a blue jay. I then spotted brown-headed nuthatches. I spied cardinals through the dense brush. A brown thrasher with some type of injury forged in the grass. Similar to the mockingbird, thrashers are talented bird mimics. I soon left the concrete trail and slipped into the woods. First bird in the woods was a red-bellied woodpecker. Another thrasher pretended like I couldn't see him. I found a hermit thrush, which was immediately chased off by a Carolina wren. Then, from the distance, I heard several very upset-sounding crows. They chased in a bonus red-tailed hawk. The hawk landed on a cell tower. The crows immediately lost interest, and I managed to get a few shots off before the hawk continued on its way. Then, as the sun was setting, a mockingbird landed on the fence in front of me.